Hi, this is Christy with Guidepost to Wellness. Welcome back for all you return viewers, and welcome to anybody that is new to the channel that is designed to help people with their overall wellness goals. We talk about anything and everything that can have to do with your wellness goals. And today I'm actually sharing an update on my journey with bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. It has been 4 weeks since I started my first new hormones. So what I wanted to do is give you a little bit of a recap. Trying a new format here, so if you keep seeing me look up, I'm looking at some notes I've shared in the past that due to some right and left temporal lobe brain damage and some things like that, it helps me to have some notes to keep organized so that I make sure I hit all my topics. So I have a document that's behind the webcam, and that's what I'm glancing at to make sure I don't miss anything. So hopefully it's not too distracting. Let me know in the comments below if it is. So for a recap, I started progesterone and testosterone 4 weeks ago, and a week before that I changed to a thyroid medicine that was both T3 and T4 and started ferritin. Because when I had my lab results done, it turned out that my progesterone and estrogen were essentially zero, my thyroid was suboptimal, my free testosterone was 1.4, and the rate or the range is from 6 to 10. So you can see how low I was on that. My iron was actually low, not severely low, but definitely low enough that I was feeling some symptoms. And my vitamin D3 was low as well. And for a recap of like the worst of it, which was ironic because I went and spoke to the doctor, and it was about 2 weeks before I actually got the hormones started. So in that period, some of my symptoms actually got worse, like the irritability and the moodiness. And you can check out my video when I got my hormones. I was so excited about it because I was just really not myself when it came to that, my poor husband. But anyway, I wasn't sleeping. I was ill as a hornet. Oh, I was just like, couldn't stand it. I just wanted out of my skin. I was so irritable. I was having cravings. I have a thing that sometimes the long bones in my legs, not the joints, but the actual long bones would really, really ache. I was having a lot of that. What I call cement feet, just truly no energy even to walk up the steps. It just felt like my lower extremities especially were made of cement. And one of the things that to me was alarming because I could recognize it, but it was really hard to do anything. I mean, I was doing essential oils, I was doing magnesium baths like I talked about in my last video, you name it. And I was still ill as a hornet and just did not care about anything. I was having a really hard time caring and just really trying to focus on anything in the world. And so that all of that was going on, and that's why I was so excited to actually start the therapy. And I can see a definite improvement in a lot of the symptoms. Definitely not 100%, but I am in a better space. So talking through some of the symptoms, for example, some of the low estrogen symptoms, fatigue, hot sweats, night flashes, hot flashes, night sweats, night flashes, mood swings, concentration issues, weight gain, vaginal dryness, low libido. So the fatigue is better, and I think I'm still tired. I still get out of bed, barely can drag myself out of bed in the morning, which is a combination, I think, of all of them, including thyroid. But I guess about 11 o'clock or so, I start to feel more human, and I start having a little bit more energy, so that's definitely an improvement. And I know that's due to the quality of sleep, because one of the things I can say irrefutably is that the hot flashes are almost completely gone, hardly ever have them, and I am not having any night sweats at all. I was literally waking up dripping sweat. It was just really bizarre. I'm not a heavy sweater, but to literally have sweat in the creases of your elbows, I mean, just crazy. It's something I had never experienced before, but that is completely gone, which is marvelous. Definitely have the weight gain and the low libido. It's better. It's definitely gotten better, but it's not completely gone. From a low progesterone perspective, great that I'm getting reduced headaches. I've suffered from chronic migraines, intention headaches for a long time. I've had multiple cases of whiplash, which really affects me in here, fibromyalgia, all that kind of stuff. So I do get a lot of tension headaches and migraines, but I was actually getting a lot more visual migraines, a lot more headaches of that nature, which was a little unusual, and those have definitely stopped. I think I've had one maybe visual migraine in the last 2 weeks, which was definitely good. The overall depression and anxiety that I was feeling has reduced greatly. I feel like doing videos again. I, definitely am feeling a little bit more excited about life. Still struggling with the energy to do what I want to do, but at least I want to do things now. And I think that's also the improvement, especially with the testosterone, that sluggishness. Now, I still have the muscle weakness and fatigue, but it's better. I don't feel like my feet are encased in concrete anymore. I can walk up the stairs without feeling breathless, but I'm still struggling to get any type of regular exercise routine in. So that is something I'm definitely still working on. When it comes to the muscle mass and fat distribution, I'm really looking forward to improving that. And I'm not sure if I'll be put on estrogen to get some of that imbalance back, because I have definitely gained a lot of weight quickly for me, especially without huge changes in my eating habits. Definitely decreased in exercise, but not real. I have cravings, so I eat a few things that aren't as good, but the amount of calories and things that I would have to eat to equal the weight that I've gained, that hasn't happened. So, that's the kind of stuff. When it comes to my slow or suboptimal thyroid, I still have a lot of those feelings, and they're better, but I've actually got the cold sensitivity back. I had that quite a bit before I started having the hot flashes and night sweats, so I'm actually getting that back. So I know that he started me kind of on a lower T3, T4 combo, so that might be able to improve that a little bit. And then with the iron, the body aches, irritability, fatigue, again, those are all doing a little bit better. I'm hoping I don't need to do the ferritin anymore. That stuff is so constipating. No matter what you do, you can drink smoothies every day and eat nothing but salads, and I still think you'd feel the impact of taking an iron supplement. So I'm hoping that when I have my lab work done on that, I won't have to take that anymore. If so, I may talk to him about taking it maybe every other day or something like that to try to reconcile that a little bit. But I'm excited because I'm definitely feeling better. Not placebo effect, but truly feeling better. So those are all really good things, and I should be having lab work done within the next 2 weeks. So I will post an update on that and any changes that we make to my BHRT protocol. And I'll be keeping everybody updated on that. And I am planning on doing some new videos, especially now that I'm feeling a little bit more like myself, to do that. Talking a little bit more about bioidentical hormone replacement therapy versus standard hormone replacement therapy, and talking about some of the other things, like how hard it is to get a standard doctor to prescribe things like testosterone for women and things like that. So I plan on doing some more videos around that are a little bit more educational than just my journey that's going along. I would love to hear from anybody else out there that has gone through this journey already or is going through it now. I'd love to hear your feedback on how you're adjusting to it. I look forward to that. Please give your comments below. If you're interested in hearing more videos, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button on the bottom there, and share this video with anyone that you think might benefit from it. Check out some of the other links below, and if you're interested in a free initial health consultation, please feel free to schedule one. I look forward to talking to you soon with good results from my lab tests. Take care and be well.